Rollors' mission is to inspire people to unplug, get outdoors, and have fun.
I love that Rollors brings a lot of joy to people.
I spent 20 years in the Air Force, and I've been on 10 combat deployments. I was really missing home, reminiscing on times of playing outdoor games with friends and family. I took all of these different games that I learned over my years of travel in the military and rolled them into one game called Rollors.
Matt's very quick when it comes to innovating and growing.
The best part about working with Matt and the company Rollors is that it really feels like a family connection as opposed to just a business transaction.
You space the goals 25 feet from each other, and you roll the disc in an underhand bowling motion, and you're trying to get it as close as you can to the target. But what's interesting and fun about Rollors is on the disc there's numbers, so whichever side the disc falls on, those are the points that are awarded to you. And the first to 21 wins the game. 85% of the employees we have are military affiliated. I mean, the skills that they learn in the military, even the spouses that are hand in hand with that military member, they learn these same things of being persistent, leadership skills, tenacity.
Both my parents were Navy.
I come from a military family.
So some of the channels where you can find Rollors is Amazon, Wayfair, Walmart, Target, Dick's Sporting Goods, REI, Camping World, and even our website, rollors.com.
But when you bring sports or games into the equation, it opens opportunity for conversation, it opens opportunity to connect.
Get out there and get competitive.